Hi, in this video we are going to see the what is the OpenAI API and how to use this API in our websites or web applications and whether it is free or cost. We will discuss everything in this video. Let's get started. See, first of all, you should have an idea about what is API. See, API stands for Application Programming Interface. It is easy to communicate the two applications. Here, applications means two software. So, API is used to it acts as a middleware between the two applications, I mean two softwares. Let me take you one example so that you will understand clearly. See, there is a one restaurant near to your location. See, you visited the restaurant. See, please understand the concept here. I'm not talking about restaurant what customer. Just understand the concept here. See, you visited the restaurant and you want to make some order, so you go to restaurant and sit on the table. See, this is as a customer. See, waiter will come to you and he will ask, sir, what do you want? What you will do, you will give some order to the waiter. Okay, I hope this fine. And next, what waiter will do, waiter will go to the chef and he sorry waiter will go to the chef and he will tell, okay, some order has been arrived, so please can you make this like you order one pizza and waiter will go to chef and he said, yeah, one pizza is ordered, please prepare it. And chef will prepare in some XYZ time and he will give to the waiter. So what waiter will do, and he will come back to the customer and he will give to the customer. So just understand the concept here. See, you are not going to the directly chef and just I need one pizza. Can you make it? So just you are giving order to the waiter, and waiter is acting as the how can I say bridge between the customer and chef. So let's assume customer is a one software, okay, and chef is also one software. That means applications. This is one app and this is one app. So here waiter is act as the middleware between these two uh, software. So this is how API looks like. So now let me take you one real time example like by using PhonePe. I hope you have a PhonePe app in your mobile. So here we will understand API in the context of how to use in the PhonePe and electricity department. See, have you ever wondered like how we are able to pay the like electricity bill, room rents, or bike challans in PhonePe? See, that is by using the API itself. Let me tell you how. See, when you open the PhonePe app, like this is screen suppose. When you open the PhonePe, you can see some screen like pay electricity bill, pay room rents, or pay chalanas. So I hope you know the see first suppose this is a electricity bill. See, if I click on the electricity bill, it will call this API. Means it will call this APIs. So the server calls the electricity department API. So this API I am using in the PhonePe app. I mean that means it is a one application. So PhonePe is a one software, and here electricity department is also one software. But by using this API, we are using the electricity department in the PhonePe. So that's why when I open the PhonePe, I can able to pay the like electricity bill in the PhonePe itself. So when I call this, when I click on the electricity bill, it directly calls the API. So this is how uh, API works. I hope you understand. See, I would like to mention one thing. I am not good at English. The main reason why I am doing these videos is there are mainly two reasons. One is to improve my communication skills, and second one is I want to share my coding knowledge with anyone. So I hope understand what is API. You may ask like how API looks like. See, when you open the Chrome or something, you can see like HTTPS. Just wait. See, HTTPS, like if it's a sorry, Google.com. So this is Google API. That means when I click on this, it will call the main Google website. So the website is taken into the Google website. So this is how API looks like. At the same in the same way, API may also like HTTPS underscore www dot electricity department, something that might be given to the when developing the website. So this is how API works. I hope you understand this concept. If you are not able to understand, please let me know in the comment section. I will definitely make a one another video with the good communication skills also. And next, so this is how electricity department have, sorry, see, electricity department have a one, electricity department have a one API. Like OpenAI also have one API, that is OpenAI API. See, in the electricity department API, by using that, we are able to pay the some electricity bills or any other bills. So in the same way, by using the API, we are able to use some like ChatGPT, GPT-4. See, I want to mention one more thing here. See, ChatGPT is just a how can I say? Wait. See, ChatGPT is just a app or application. I mean, it's just a application or software. It is not giving the output. We are using this just for like one software application. So the reason behind how, see, when you search on something on ChatGPT, how it is, do you think how the output is coming? See, the reason behind is model. Model means like I can also say API. That is behind API. Let me tell you clearly. See, see. So when you open, this is ChatGPT app. When you open the app, here you can search for something like input. Suppose I want to know today's date. So when you give the input, ChatGPT is not giving the output. Just it is an application. Application means it is just a software. ChatGPT. See, when you give the input, it will calls the API. What API? In the API, we have a different models like GPT 3.5, GPT-4, GPT. In the advanced, we have a GPT-5. So, like this, I hope. Sorry, I want to mention one more thing. When we click on this phone pay, this is calling directly electricity department API. Like when you give the input, it will directly call the ChatGPT models, I mean APIs like GPT 3.5, GPT-4. You can search in the ChatGPT also, it will give the complete details. So, yeah, this is how API is in the OpenAI API, and it will allows to softwares developers to use access and use open like JavaScript, GPT-4 and DALI through a programming materials. I hope this understand. See, I have also mentioned here ChatGPT is just application. GPT 3.5, 4 and 5 are the large language models. And next, see, by using OpenAI API, what we can do? By using electricity department API, we are able to pay the electricity bill. Like by using OpenAI API, we are able to perform some tasks. Here you can see generate human-like text. We can generate the text and understand text, and we can also create images by using that API and build AI power tools like Assistant Record and how it works. See, you send a some request API with your input. See, when you give the input, it will call directly the OpenAI API. So that might be a GPT 3.5, 4 or 5, whether it is, we will mention that. And the API process it using a train model. Model means that only like 3.5, 4, 5. And you can get back the AI generated response. So AI, that model will generate a response and we will get that response. So access. So if you want to use the OpenAI, we need some key. So don't worry, I will explain how to use the, and this is completely free for learning only. Like how can I say? You will get a $18 for learning itself. that is based on, how can I say, like tokens. Don't worry about tokens. It is just you can learn from by using. See, uh, just open. I don't want to mention. I don't want to see my uh, app here. Just open Chrome. Search for Open AI like API key. So it will ask you enter your email like sorry Gmail, and next generate one I mean create one password, and after going to the account you can see the one account like API keys, like just copy that key. Now let me explain how you can write the code. See, already I write the code here clearly. See, first we have to install the OpenAI by using, just I am writing here, quick install OpenAI. It will install the OpenAI library in our uh, laptop. So after installing, just from OpenAI, import OpenAI. I am just importing OpenAI from the entire library, and I will explain this. Don't worry. See, after you copy the OpenAI key, see that should be always in a secret mode. You are not able. You are not. You should not showcase. I mean, you should not show your password. I mean, API key with anyone. So when you copy that key, just keep it in this key. Like suppose my key is like suppose Mahesh 1234, like something looks like. Okay, what should I do now? I'm just importing this key. Like this variable name is Open API key in the word file config2.py. So from file name, so here I take one another like this file. So this is my secret key. I don't want to show for more time. Okay, see, from config means from this file import open, this is my variable. So I next create one client object and use this OpenAI here, and in the API key give the whatever the open key you imported from config file. And next this is general and normal, and here you can see model means here you can give if you want it like GPT 3.5 turbo, like something there, GPT-5 also you can give. And next messages, see messages we have to mention the one role and content. See, in the role we have a mainly three types, one is system and one is user and one another is assistant. System means what we are telling the models that, so you are a helpful assistant, so you are a helpful assistant. We are telling the models to system that is you are just a helpful assistant. That means you should help to role, I mean user, what he will ask you have to give the answer. And next role user means here we will ask the question. See, can you tell me the India capital? And next here in the text response choices message ground. So let me, I think output doesn't show because data should always run. I don't know. Let's see what it will give the output. See, connection error, but it will definitely work out. Just run this. You don't worry about what is this big line and what is this. It's just a very simple. See, I want to stop here. I hope you understand this class. I explained with my basic English itself. Don't scold me, and I tried my best to explain concept. I hope you understand. Yeah, thanks for the watching. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. I will be ready to explain the this concept one more also. Yeah, thank you.